Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Nest thermostat is blinking a green light while charging, you might be wondering whether it's working normally or if something is wrong. This blinking indicator can look unusual, especially if you're not used to seeing lights on the device. In most cases, the green light simply means the thermostat is charging or updating its system, but sometimes it can also point to a power-related issue, depending on how long it continues. The key is to understand the difference between normal behavior and something that needs attention. Instead of guessing, it's better to check a few important things step by step to make sure everything is functioning properly. In this video, I'll guide you through what the blinking green light means and how to fix it if it doesn't stop. Try these. Step 1. Understand that a blinking green light usually indicates the thermostat is charging. Step 2. Wait a few minutes to see if the light stops after charging completes. Step 3. Check that the thermostat is properly connected to its base and receiving power. Step 4. Inspect wiring connections to ensure stable power supply. Step 5. Restart the thermostat to refresh the system. Step 6. Monitor the device and ensure the green light stops and normal operation resumes.